Okay, here is the kettle, and I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to set it, and I'm going to set it for 75. And because I'm just going to heat up some of my coffee with a little bit of hot water. So once it's set like that, I like the design of it. Always make sure that the holes are facing towards the spout, towards here. Otherwise that steam's going to burn your hand. And I like the design of it. And let's see, what are we doing here? There we go. You saw it move up. It tells you what temperature your water's at while it's going. So right now it's at 45 Celsius, and you can hear it starting to heat up. It's 55. And I think there's about one more to go. Heats up rather quickly. I think we got one more. I think I hit it at 75. And there it is. So, it reached the temperature I wanted it at. So I'll just pick it up, and it'll go ahead and shut off, and then we'll just watch it pour. There you go. That is it. It's easy to operate. I like the handle on it. I like how smooth it pours. It's really nice. I like it. I'm going to be using it a lot. Probably have it in my office. I'm going to put it on my desk if I wanted to during those winter months. I like it. It's nice. Nice design. Easy to pour. Handle is really nice. Smooth pouring. Like how you set the temperature. And I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And there you are. I like it.